Cox. In this video, I'd like to show you how the Pass GED Math website can help you pass the 2014 GED Math test. I begin by going to passged.weebly.com, and here are links to all four of the Pass GED websites. Let's click on the Math website. The Math website is organized around a recipe for getting the 150 points you need to pass the test. Actually, you only need 135 because if you manage your time and guess when you can on the test, you can pick up another 15 points that way. 7 capitalized headings run across the top. After the intro section, the next 3 are Calculator, No Calc, and LH Fruit. With these 3 sections, you can get 100 of the 135 points you need. The TI-30SX calculator is your best friend on the test, and you can use it on the test. If you can't borrow one, you can buy it from Amazon for about $14. Use it not because it's faster, but because it lets you bypass the arithmetic skills. You don't have to worry about manipulating exponents or least common denominators, for example. The pages in the calculator section show you how to use it. Let's look, for example, at the exponents page. And here you can see links to videos and other lessons, not so much about the arithmetic, but about how to use the calculator. Here in particular, I'm clicking so that you can see the calculator reference sheet that's actually part of the test itself. And down at the bottom of this exponents page, there are practice questions. I'm clicking here. In the calculator section, there are not only questions and answers, there are also the precise calculator steps for each practice question. If you get good with the calculator, you should be able to get at least 50 points on the test. The No Calc section next helps you prepare for the 5 questions in part 1 of the test where you can't use the calculator. If you learn the skills in this section, you can get another 15 points on the test at least. Now look at the LH Fruit section. The 12 math skills you see here in the drop-down menu are the low-hanging fruit of the test. They're self-contained and relatively easy. Let's look, for example, at the page on scientific notation. And here you can see, for example, I can click on to see a video from Khan Academy about scientific notation. And here is another lesson on scientific notation. There are about 180 links like these to videos and other lessons in the entire math website, and about 1/3 of those are in this LH Fruit section because it's so important. If you get good at these 12 math skills, you can get another 35 points at least on the test. So you can get 100 of the 135 you need in Calculator, No Calc, and LH Fruit. Where do you get the other 35? By answering only about 40% of the algebra questions on the test. These 3 sections, algebra, word problems, and graphing, show you how to do that. The algebra section shows you how to do things like simplifying expressions and solving equations. The word problem section shows you how to recognize and solve 10 different kinds of word problems. And the graphing section shows you how to move from an equation to a line or from a line to an equation. And each of these 3 sections includes practice questions and links to internet lessons. Now there's a page in the intro section, the first page actually, that captures this recipe I've just shared with you. So if you can use this website to get 150 points on the math test, and if you can use the 3 other Pass GED websites to get 3/4 of the short questions and the points for 3/4 of the writing section questions on the other 3 GED tests, then you can pass all 4 of the GED tests and get on with your life. In the intro section of each website, including this one, there's a page to help you share any comments and suggestions you have with me. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and good luck on the test.